I don't even know if you guys are going to see this video. Like, there's going to be a pretty rushed job because I've got a lot of important things to do, but an update. I want to let you guys know, why isn't a video, Stu? We're literally about to have our first cyclone in decades. If you don't know what a cyclone is, it's like a hurricane or a typhoon. That's what it's called in some other places. And it is called Cyclone Alfred, and it is like heading to smash my property. So you'll see over on the map on DIY FPV, you can see one of our capital cities here, Brisbane. It is meant to hit a little bit south of that. Guess where I live? Like exactly there. I could not be hit more directly by this cyclone. So the chances of me flying drones at the moment are crashing down to zero. Hopefully that's all that breaks here though. I'm hoping no trees come down or anything like that, but I want to give you guys an update. And if you've got any tips, please throw them down below as well. Like I've already filled up the water bottles and big vats of water. I've got the barbecue ready with all the gas bottles. I've brewed everything inside, but I don't know. This is like the first cyclone we're going to have here in decades. It's actually going to hit us. So it's a little bit stressful, but I want to make an update. You might see me on Monday if we still have power to do a live stream, because I know we've been doing like the Happy Flying live streams every Monday. And the other part too is I kind of have a unique chance here too. Like when I look out, like we are pretty close to the water. They're giving us lots of coastal surge warnings and all that sort of stuff. Like maybe I might actually even live stream the cyclone, because it's sort of something that hasn't happened in decades. So to be able to document that as well. But anyway, just a bit of an update. I got to go keep getting some stuff ready for the property. I got a couple more sandbags to fill up, because last time like it was a disaster when we had some floods. This is going to be even worse. They're saying things like 300 mil of rain. Or 400 mil of rain over 3 days. And if you don't know what that is, that's like this much rain falling from the sky over 3 days. So a lot of water. It's a little bit stressful. But yeah, I'm going to wrap this video up. Then I'm going to go pick the kids up early from school, because that's all going to be closed. And yeah, just try and survive. And hopefully we're still here come Monday, or when you see me next back online. All right, happy flying, stay safe. If you got any tips, please, down below. I'm going to read them all. So if there's something me and my family are missing, and you might say that one tip that I think, yeah, that's a great idea. So anyway, thank you.